when there is no power assistance in the vehicle. First, we need to check the power steering sensor. Whether the line of the sensor is damaged. Okay, let's check if the bottom line is damaged. If the line is not damaged, then we check this part. When we turn the brake lever and the pedal, does it rotate with it? You can see it from the inside. This should rotate together. If it doesn't rotate together, it won't start. Also, we push this all the way down, that is, when it is removed. We need to press it tightly again. Press it and turn it. This plastic part rotates with the shaft. If it can't rotate, it won't start properly. If these checks are all fine, we need to check this plug. Whether the plug has fallen out. If it doesn't fall out, then we need to replace the power steering sensor.